Right. So testing is this working? Okay, cool. All right. So we have a business here that I'm working with. They started working with a couple weeks ago, maybe last week, before, something like that. Anyways, I created them a website, uploaded to Google Search Console, we got it indexed. Um, and so the next step was that we put out some articles, some PR articles, press release articles, and one of these indexed right away, which was this one on PRLog.org. I put this one out on PRFree.org. This one has an index, but it hasn't even been 7 days for this one. But this one indexed after like a couple days. And then if you look up, what's their link? Here, let me just do this. Copy site. You'll see that Google's already accepted the homepage, the about page, and the contact us. So I'm thinking, since I already have these indexed, and I can send this one. Can, this is already indexed. Boom, there it is, showing up in Google's library. So I want to give it a try. Let's see if our sites will get him this world services. Just make sure that's world services. Okay, cool. Bathroom remodeler. Of course, that's what we put for the GVP category, bathroom remodeler. We try to match it. The business new. Primarily CERN and Antonio, Texas. Phone number. Hello. Paste. Website is we go back forward. Copy, paste. Yep, text. Same number. Next. Invalid. Oh, okay. All right, we're going to take a quick pause. That's his address. No shot. All right, we're going to resume. All right, next thing is to do an email code. I think the best way to do email code. All right, so cool. So he doesn't have an email like this, but we're going to create one right here. So let me pause it again. Okay, cool. Yeah. All right, let's resume. So we go to settings, email services. Uh, yeah. So no, sorry, we're going to create that dedicated domain. It's a super easy way to create it. A email. Oops. Oh, come on now. All right, add manually. Boom, 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 boom. TXT, 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 CNAME. Oh, that's already good. Okay, so boom, bang, bang. Let's see what's next. I can type that in. And then underscore P equals we. Throwing one in there just for now. Priority 10. Posting at. Let's go for records. Okay. Already did that one. Copy that. Paste. Any record. Speed. Bang. Paste. Email's done. I think I'll pause the recording until this goes through. All right. Well, that was basically 2 minutes, and they all verified. So just go in. Oh, that's still issued. So good to go. All right. So let's do this. Let's test this bad boy out. Let's send email. suppose, to wait, is this working? Double check. Let me set the headers real quick. Headers. Uh, what's this business name? I'm gonna go back to that. Oh yeah, onto those. Hello. All right, we're gonna save that. Cool, 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 cool. All right, so we're gonna go test did this work. We're gonna send that bad boy out. Let's see if we get anything in the conversations tab. Let's go to the contacts page actually. Oh no. Usually takes some time too. Okay, here's what I'll do. I'll pause it. Oh, don't even have to. Oh, let's go. Test worked. Did it work? Yep. We're lagging. Send. Yep. Once I receive, I'm golden. Yep, got it. See you later. See you later. Let me get rid of that one. All right, let's do it. Give me a pack door. Let's go, dude. Come on. It cannot be this easy. Damn right. Counting. I don't think it does tile. No, method installation for sure. I don't want to put these travel repairs. It's not really what he's trying to advertise. It's not really what he's trying to do. Really just trying to get bathroom models. So we're just gonna set it to that for now. Hours, what are the hours? I don't remember. Monday through Saturday, 8 to 5. We're gonna copy the exact site, or exactly how it is on the site. Of course, I can just do all of them. Come on. What? Oh, wait. There we go. Let's go. Description. For the business description, I actually want to use one of the articles we did. I think it was this one. This one's index, so I want to do this one. Is that the whole thing? Use the whole thing. Let's grab. Oh, this was. I like this part. No. This one straight up to say like right in the beginning. Contractor. Specialized. How much more room we got? And let's even throw some more. We got more room. How much room we got? Like 300 characters, a little bit less than that. I like that he speaks Spanish, so I wish I could speak it like that. Fluent Spanish. Yeah, you can end it there. Doesn't need to be perfect. We're not trying to be perfect. All right, cool. Let's grab the logo. Where's his pictures? Oh, you know what? I might have deleted a bunch of his pictures. I for sure did. All right, So what I'm gonna do, not the best way to do it, but I'm just gonna open image new tab. These are all his images anyway, so you know, it is what it is. All right, that should be good. Okay, so we can Control S. Let's create a new folder. Let's drop it in that folder so don't get confused. All right, Control S. Control S. S. Mm. All right, we got all those images. Who's yeah? Wait. Let's go grab those images. Oh, why can't I grab these images? Are they WebP? All right, so let's do. Oh, okay. What is it? It's like PNG and JPEG, right? I don't know. It doesn't say. So I think it's JPEG. So we're gonna go to my thing. Mm. Let me pause that share real quick. I'll put my passcode in. I gotta change that so it only shows stars. Okay. All right. So we're gonna upload all my images from this tool I built. Not bragging. Pretty cool though. All right. Oh, because they're all in WP. That's right. Because that's why. Because that's what is best for a website is WP or WebP. Which is why I have them in that format. So now we're gonna just change them all to JPEG, convert it, downloaded. Pretty easy, pretty quick. All right. They're in a zip file. We're gonna unzip them, extract it. Okay. Done with that. Done with that. All right. Upload those images. Folder. Those are WebP converted images. Bang, bang, boom. Yep. 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 Wait, where's the logo? Well, actually, these are. You know what? I probably should have put them here, but I'm gonna upload them again. Who cares? Guess there's no store. Well, this is a service area business. I don't know why I would ask for a storefront image. Doesn't even make sense. Skip that. Skip that. All right, here we go. And then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add an image of the logo. Add a logo. 250 by 250. Okay, that's easy. Go back to my tool. So that. All right, we're gonna resize. Oh, I guess it's here again. All right, so you resize. We're gonna grab his image. Gonna make it 250 by 250. Download that boy. Bring it back over here. Save that. All right, so the logo's in there. Add profile sources. We're not even gonna do all that. We're just gonna wait. So we created the website. A little bit over a week ago, we finalized it, uploaded to Google Search Console. We created two press releases, put those out, one indexed, one hasn't yet, but again, it's been 5 days. This one, I would recommend PRLog.org. That was like really quickly. It indexed. I think it was like 2 days at most, maybe three. Because Hector is a person who's been primarily word of mouth. He doesn't do much of when it comes to like social media and stuff like that. He does have a Facebook, but other than that, I couldn't even find him online when I first reached out to him. I tried to put a site together based on what I could find online. I couldn't find anything. So I, learned, got some information from him. I put the site out, uploaded to Google Search Console, requested indexing for those 3 pages, and then I built these press releases. And I mean, we didn't have to do a video, and that's a testament right there. So I will put it out in 5 days, whether or not this got verified. But I mean, how wicked awesome is that? Like most of the people, they go from just having a Facebook to try to do a Google Business Profile, and they get stuck at the video part, and everyone hates doing the video verification. I hate doing the video verification, and I can't help you because I'm out here. I can give you instructions what to do, but I'm in Rochester, New York. I can't come out to San Antonio, Texas to do video verification. And then, Hector doesn't really do phones. or technology. So for me to be able to be in Rochester, New York, and help him verify and create a Google business profile for him is massive. Um, I mean, everybody that looks for business these days, they all Google things. So the locals, when people look in that search, they see that map pack. And this is a big win. He's already asking people since the sites came out, how can I leave you reviews? And he's like, so can I put them on my site? And I'm like, no, 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 got to put them on Google. So hopefully in 5 days or less, this is good. I'm pretty excited. All right, guys, as you can see, GBP's up, man. Less than 24 hours, less than 12 hours. Uh, we did it at night, 10 a.m. the next morning, went to check, boom, it's up. Texted him over, hey, it's up. You already got a review in a single day. As you can see, this is the business side, and then you can see this is the customer side. Yeah, I mean, I literally took Hector from having basically nothing on the internet. He did have a Facebook page, didn't really use it at all ever. Still doesn't really even post on it. And took him from that to having a website with everything that Google wants on it. That's super important. And then putting those press releases out. And one didn't even get indexed. And I mean, just like that, the GBP's up less than 2 weeks. And the cool part is that I didn't do anything black hat. I didn't do anything against Google's terms of service. I didn't do any type of tricks or anything like that. I literally did what Google tells you you're supposed to do. Um, and then, so, I mean, yeah, I mean, that's it. I mean, if you have a GBP and you're not using it, or if you're thinking like, what am I supposed to do with it? Or if you don't have a website or whatever, and you want a GBP, I literally have a bare minimum checklist on my website that you can go to, and you can literally download the PDF. And actually, let's just go to it. Nope, 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 nope. There we go. There we go. Name, business name, email, gets you the PDF, and you can literally go through the checklist of being like, okay, so your website, you need, actually, why don't we just show it? Let's do this. So basically everything that Google wants on the site. When it comes to the website, when it comes to citations, again, citations are just name, address, phone number on different sites. So that's going to be your Bing, Yelp, Yahoo, Apple Maps, Facebook, those big ones. There's another one that's really big. That's a data aggregator. Just means that things like Alexa, they pull the data from this thing, and it's called Foursquare. Um, and then it goes into what I did specifically for the PR. I think it's on here somewhere. I don't know. Just download it from Google. And if you guys have any questions, you can reach me at optimumservicemarketing.com, schedule or book an appointment, and I'd be glad to help you.